Are you suffering from low performance in Fortnite, tired of constant FPS drops, or your eyes hurting from ultra-low settings? Then this video is for you, because today I will show you how to optimize Windows 11 for Fortnite. By following these steps, you will be able to boost your performance and get the best possible FPS. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Windows and drivers are up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Download and install any available updates. Next, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. This will ensure your system is running the latest software. Next, let's disable unnecessary startup programs. Press Ctrl-Shift-S to open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click on any programs you don't need to start automatically and select Disable. This will speed up your boot time and free up resources. Now let's adjust visual effects for better performance. Go to File Explorer. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings and under the Performance section, click Settings. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. You can also choose Custom and uncheck specific effects while keeping the ones you prefer. I recommend leaving Show Thumbnails instead of icons and Smooth Edges of Screen fonts enabled. Cleaning up disk space can also help speed up your system. Go to File Explorer. Open this PC. Right-click on your system drive, usually C, and select Properties. In the opened window, click on Details. In the opened window, go to Temporary Files. Check the boxes for the types of temporary files you want to delete, like Windows Update Cleanup, Downloaded Files, and Temporary Files. Click Remove Files to delete them. Then go back and select Installed Apps. Review the list of installed apps and uninstall any that you don't need by clicking the three dots next to the app and selecting Uninstall. Optimizing your power settings can improve performance. Go to Settings, then System, and select Power and Battery. In the Power Mode section, choose Best Performance. Next, we need to delete temporary data running under your user account. Press Win-R to bring up the Run window. Type %temp% and click Enter to access the folder with temporary files. Use Control-A to highlight everything in that folder. Tap the Delete key to clear all the files. Now let's delete your system-level temporary directory files. Press Win-R to reopen the Run dialog. Enter temp and press Enter to locate your folder with temporary files. Wipe out all the files in this second folder to ensure you've covered all your bases. And last but not least, press Win-R again and type prefetch and press Enter. Use Control-A to highlight everything in that folder. Tap the Delete key to clear all the files. Running disk cleanup is another effective way to free up space. Click on the search bar on the taskbar, type Disk Cleanup, and select it from the results. Choose the drive you want to clean up and click OK. Check the boxes for the types of files you want to delete and click OK again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in Fortnite's performance on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.